It all started when I realized that I needed a change in my financial situation. I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck, and I wanted to create wealth and financial freedom. That's when I stumbled upon the teachings of Robert Kiyosaki, and my perspective on real estate completely shifted. I dove headfirst into learning everything I could about the world of real estate. I devoured Kiyosaki's books, attended seminars, and connected with experienced investors. I wanted to understand the ins and outs of the market, identify the best opportunities, and become a knowledgeable investor. But let me tell you, it wasn't always easy. Real estate is not a magic wand that instantly solves all your problems. It takes persistence, patience, and a strong mindset to succeed. I had to educate myself, do thorough research, and carefully analyze potential investments. It was a lot of hard work, but I knew that the rewards would be worth it, and they were. I started with my first rental property. I meticulously calculated the numbers, analyzed the location, and made sure it was a sound investment. It wasn't an overnight success, but over time, I saw the power of real estate in action. The rental income provided a consistent cash flow, and as the property appreciated, my equity grew. It was like having a little money-making machine that worked for me, even while I slept. The beauty of real estate is that it's a tangible asset. Unlike stocks or other investments, you can see and touch it. And while the market may have its ups and downs, real estate has proven to be a resilient and long-term wealth-building tool. Real estate allows you to leverage other people's money to build your portfolio. You can use financing to acquire properties, and the rental income helps pay off those loans. It's a remarkable way to build wealth and create a passive income stream that can last for generations. But the power of real estate doesn't stop there. Real estate also offers numerous tax advantages. Through depreciation, deductions, and other tax incentives, you can significantly reduce your tax liability. This means more money in your pocket to reinvest or enjoy the lifestyle you desire. Furthermore, real estate is a hedge against inflation. As the cost of living increases over time, so does the value of real estate. By investing in properties, you're not only keeping pace with inflation, but also growing your wealth. And let's not forget the power of leverage. With a small down payment, you can control a much larger asset. This amplifies your returns and allows you to grow your portfolio at an accelerated rate. It's like having a financial multiplier working in your favor. Of course, real estate comes with its challenges and risks. It requires due diligence, market analysis, and effective property management. But with the right knowledge and a proactive approach, these challenges can be overcome. So, if you're on the fence about real estate, I encourage you to explore it further. Educate yourself, surround yourself with knowledgeable people, and take that leap of faith. The power of real estate is real, and it can transform your financial future if you approach it with the right mindset and dedication. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term strategy for building wealth. So embrace the power of real estate and unlock the door to financial freedom.